Hey y'all, thanks for jumping in and watching another video on the latest updates in 2021. This episode is all about everything that happened in February of 2021. There's quite a few amazing things that happened.
Not everything.
Not everything?
You said everything that happened. We're not talking about everything.
Everything.
We're just handpicking a few things.
The best things that happened in social media for February of 2021. So first on the list is TikTok University. So for e-com brands, this is huge. This is going to be a place where TikTok has kind of harvested the creators connecting with the brands. And if you have a brand and want to be in front of a creator or have a creator talk about your brand and get in front of a lot of people. So it's just creating a collaboration with people. So if you have an amazing product and you know that the person for that product is out there, you can figure out and basically make deals happen. So a lot of times you'd have to go through a third party or so many other ways to make this happen. But now TikTok is trying to shorten the gap and let brands sell more on TikTok. They're really pushing the e-commerce side of things. And there's actually going to be an affiliate. Looks like there's an affiliate part of this side as well. So going to be a really big push towards selling on TikToks and really matching up brands.
Yeah, definitely click on the link. And if you sell physical products, then go check that out. It's very much at its infancy, so there's not much in there right now. But you can log in with your TikTok account and you can just start learning a little bit more about that. At least, yeah, watch what they have available right now or read what they have available right now. I think that will be very beneficial for you moving forward into TikTok.
Cool. Number 2, what do we got?
We have Instagram Story music options. So I believe they're just testing a featured music section for stories. Right.
So like trending music.
Yeah.
What was it? There was a video of Tom Brady, sadly. I'm a Chiefs fan, Christian. I don't know what he is. But anyway, not a fan of Tom Brady. Respect him. Anyway, he did one. It was a featured song and the video went viral. So he got early access to it and it kind of went viral. But yeah, they're featuring music based off of new music. So if you're an artist or somebody putting out music, you may have an opportunity up there.
Next,
number 3,
Google Cookie update.
Yeah. So not like the food, sadly. It's so basically just a little bit more privacy. And just like what we saw with Apple, where they're locking down how much they're sharing back to third party. Same thing with Google. Google is not necessarily sharing as much data as what they have. There is an article link here. It's rather lengthy, but this is something that they say will happen in 2021. It's not necessarily something that's happening like today, but it is something to be aware of and be preparing for. And that's why we want to give it to you in February of 2021 so that December and January of next year, you're completely prepared for what this looks like for your business. But there's a big update there. And basically, they're just locking down how much data they share to third parties as well.
Yeah. And I think ultimately this will be better for everyone eventually. I think once the dust settles, you will see better ads. You will see more relevant ads. And yeah, I think it will be a better experience for everyone involved, for sure.
Let's hope. It's gonna be an ebb and flow. Everybody's kind of getting their feet wet. We're like Bambi right now, running around with our, we just got new legs.
All right, next one is Twitter. We're talking about Twitter. Twitter is announcing a super follow feature, along with they actually announced a Spaces feature, which is kind of like a Clubhouse competitor, and then they also have a new in the works groups. So there's quite a few things happening on Twitter, which is pretty exciting. Platform's been on for a while. Not really a lot of noise, I guess, but these new features do look pretty promising. They look interesting. Yeah,
some people have said, notable tech gurus have said that this is probably the biggest move that Twitter has made in the last 10 years.
Yeah.
So pretty cool, it's kind of a combination of a lot of things. Like Christian said, it's Clubhouse, it's like OnlyFans, and it's like Facebook groups. They're kind of combining the best of every app, and they've just been historically slow to do it. So if you're a huge fan of Twitter, maybe something to look at and play around with if your brand is out on Twitter.
Yeah, for sure. Is that it?
Yep, that's all for February. So whether you guys are watching this video via email or if you check this out on YouTube, make sure that you continuously either subscribe if you're on YouTube and so you don't miss out on any of the content. And if you are getting this via email and you have questions, make sure to hit reply here and see how this affects your brand and how you guys are continuing to grow moving forward. We'd love to give insight specific to your brand, but appreciate you guys so much for watching, and would love any type of feedback on how to make these videos better. So thank you guys, and we'll talk to you guys next month.
Bye.